Say, those are my raisins. Lady saying, please drop one, please drop one. Lady, you like when Margot drops a raisin? Oh no, don't drop them on purpose. Good girl. Margot, where's Lady? Where's the doggy? Where is she? Good girl, Lady. Good girl. What is she doing, Margot? No. Good girl, Lady. No, down, down, Margot. You're giving her one? No. No. No feeding the doggy. Lady, are you gonna have a bellyache? What do we say to the dog? Do we say, sit? No, Lady, sit, sit. No, hello. No giving her raisins. Down. Lady, down. Lady, down. No, not so much, huh? Lady, get down. Hey, down, down, down. Oh, you are being bad. Margot, it's because you're feeding them to her. You're sneaking them. Are you sneaking raisins to Lady? You are? You are? She's not supposed to have those. No, 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 no. Can you say, Lady, sit? Sit. No, Lady. Margot said sit. Oh, did you drop one? Oh, brother. I could never bring Lady here every day. She'd be so fat. She'd be so fat. Lady. Hi. Oh, there goes another one. Margot, are you eating? Are they good? Say, mmm. Okay. Lady, can you sit down? Lady. Hey. Hey, sit.